In this video, I'll detail how to make iPhone display zoomed. So if your iPhone is playing music and you want the zoomed to pop or kind of bigger than the normal zoom, then this video is going to walk you through. So you have normal and a zoomed display on your iPhone, and here I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable zoomed display on iPhone, either you're using iOS 17 or iOS 18. So if I know this video you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to make iPhone display zoomed, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on display and brightness. Now scroll down to the bottom. There you should see display zoom. Click on that. Then here, if you have the default set as your display zoom on your iPhone, this is going to be the standard settings for your iPhone. Now, to make iPhone display zoomed, just turn on large text and then tap done. So you can see, choose a view for iPhone, large text show larger control, default show more content. So this is going to show a larger control, but the content will be reduced compared to when you set it to standard, like this. So that's how you can easily make iPhone display zoomed on your device. Find this helpful and informative? Please don't forget to like and subscribe.